Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra, exercise 3.2. So first subdivision already completed, second subdivision, in that two sums already I have completed. I will continue with the, three sums I have completed. I will continue with the fourth sum. Find the LCM of the given expressions. So p squared minus 3p plus 2 and p squared minus 4. So on seeing the question itself, we can able to understand that this is a quadratic equation. So we will get two factors for this. So first, whatever it is given, we will find the factors of that. Then only we can find LCM or GCD, whatever it is. Okay. So here, first we will take p squared minus 3p plus 2. So in this, when we multiply any two terms, we have to get plus 2, and when we add any two terms, we have to get minus 3. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. Here, since you have minus negative sign, minus 2 minus 1 we will take. So p squared minus 3p plus 2, we can write this as p squared. Instead of this minus 3p, we can write it as minus 2p minus p plus 2. So that is equal to, we will take this 2 and the next 2. So p into p minus 2, then p minus 2 means minus 1. So p minus 1 and p minus 2 are the factors of p squared minus 3p plus 2. Now if we take the second expression, p squared minus 4, we can write this as p squared minus 2 squared. So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. So we can write this as p plus 2 into p minus 2. So these are the two factors for p squared minus 4. Okay, now we are asked to find the LCM of the given two expressions. So for p squared minus 3p plus 2, the factors are p minus 1 and p minus 2. These are the two factors. Then for p squared minus 4, the factors are p plus 2 and p minus 2. P plus 2 and p minus 2. They are the factors. Now, since we are asked to find the least common multiple of this, LCM is equal to. So the common factor for the two terms, for the two expressions is p minus 2. P minus 2. Then the remaining terms also we will write, that is p plus 2 and p minus 1. So these are the three factors. These are the LCM we will get. This is the LCM. Now this is the LCM we will get for the given expression, that is p minus 2, p plus 2 and p minus 1. So we can rewrite this as, since this is of the form p plus 2, a plus b into a minus b, we can write this as p squared minus 4 into p minus 1. So this is the LCM. Next sum is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 and 4x squared minus 36. So the same procedure. First we will find the factors of 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Since for x squared we are having a coefficient as 2, that we will multiply it with the constant term. So when we multiply any two terms, we have to get minus 6. The same two terms if we add, we have to get minus 5. Accordingly, we have to take the numbers. So if we take 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6. And then, but if we take same 3 and 2 here, if we add this, we will get, that is minus 3 minus 2, we will get minus 5. But minus 3 minus 2 will be plus 6. So we cannot take this 3 and 2. So instead of that, we will take 5 and 1. 5 ones are 5. So 5. Now we need to get 6 here. So we will take 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6 and minus 6 plus 1. So minus 6 and into plus 1 is minus 6. 6 ones are 6, minus into plus is minus. Then unlike signs has to be subtracted, we get 5 bigger number sign is 5. So 6 ones are 6. So the factors of 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. You can write this as 2x squared minus 6x minus 5x minus 3. So this minus 5x, we are rewriting it like this. Minus 6x plus x. Okay. So this 5x only we are splitting it like this. So first two terms and next two terms. So 2x if we take x minus 3. So if we want x minus 3 plus 1 will be outside. So 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. Then next expression is 4x squared minus 36. So in this we can write this 4x squared as 2x the whole square minus 6 the whole square. 6 6 are 36. So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. So this is equal to, so a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So one more thing we can write is, we can take this 4 as common. In that way also we can write. So if we take like that 4x squared minus 36, in this if we take 4 common outside, balance will be x squared minus 9. So this also we can write it as a squared minus b squared, that is x squared minus 3 squared. So 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. So the same thing here also. Here in this 2 we can take it common. So the remaining will be x plus 3. Here also 2 if we take, it is x minus 3. So 2 into 2 4. 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. So in whatever way you are doing, you will be getting the same answer as 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Then, so we got the factors of both the expressions. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. Then 4x squared minus 36 is equal to 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. So now LCM is equal to, first common term we will write it one time. So x minus 3, that is the common thing. So the remaining terms we will write it as it is. So 4 is the constant here. So 4 into x minus 3 one time, then x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. So this is the LCM for the given expressions. Next sum is 2x squared minus 3xy the whole squared, 4x minus 6y the whole cube, 8x cube minus 27y cube. So we will find the factors of all the expressions separately. So 2x squared minus 3xy whole squared. So this is equal to, so in both these terms we are having x as common. So that x we will take it out. So if we take the, since it is the square here, okay, so we will write it. So x into 2x minus 3xy the whole squared. So only the terms that are inside the bracket that I am taking, from that two terms I am taking x common. So this whole square is as it is. Okay. So in these two terms x is common. So x I am taking it out. So I will get 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So in this I am rewriting this as x squared into 2x minus 3y the whole squared. Okay. Then this is these are the two factors for the first expression. Then the second one is 4x minus 6y the whole cube. So in this, if I take these two terms inside, I can take 2 common. So the remaining terms are 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So from these two terms I am taking 2 common. So 2 cube into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So this cube is common to both this 2 and this 2x minus 3y. So 2 cube into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So these are the factors for the second one. Then third one is 8x cube minus 27y cube. So this one is 2, I am rewriting this as 2x the whole cube minus 3y the whole cube. So the formula for this is, we can use the identity a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is the identity we are going to use for this one. So a is 2x here and b is 3y here. So a minus b into a squared, so 4x squared plus ab, so 3 2s are 6xy, ab plus b squared is 9y squared. Okay, so now we got the factors of all the 3 expressions. Now we will find the LCM. So 2x squared minus 3xy the whole square. So for this, the factors are x squared into 2x minus 3y the whole square. Okay, then second one is 4x minus 6y the whole cube. That is equal to 8 into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Then 8x cube minus 27y cube. So for this, the factors are 2x minus 3y and 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Okay, so we got the factors of all the 3 expressions. Now LCM is equal to the highest power, the maximum power. Okay, if we have common terms in all the given expressions, the highest power will be the LCM for them. So, if we take this 2x minus 3y, that is there in all the 3 expressions. That factor is there in all the 3 expressions. 2x minus 3y the whole square, 2x minus 3y the whole cube and 2x minus 3y. So, the maximum power is, the highest power is 3. So, the LCM for that factor will be 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Okay, then 8 is a whole number there. So, that also will be there for the LCM. Then the remaining will be 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y cube. And then 1x squared is also there. So, 8x squared. So, 8x squared into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. That is the highest power. Then 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y cube. 9y squared. Sorry. 9y squared. Okay. So, these are the factors we will get for the LCM. Okay. 8x squared into 2x minus 3y the whole cube into 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. 9y squared. Okay. So, with this, I am completing this exercise. Exercise 3.2 is over. I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comments. Thank you.